begin, open your hearts, listen closely, and let every song remind you of this truth. The cross was not the end, the grave could not hold him, and because he lives, we can live too. Church, let us celebrate Jesus, not only for who he is, but for what he's done. Welcome to our Easter Cantata.
Follow me, and I will make you fishers of men. Come here after me, and I will make you to become fishers of men.
And now we get to see He's open for the power that God's grace